Hello dear friends, we are going to continue the next part of the fourth topic, that's a phylum Hemichordata. So in the phylum Hemichordata, this Hemichordata was earlier considered as a subphylum of Chordata. Like chordates, it has the pharyngeal gill slits. As in case of the phylum Hemichordata, it shows the organ system. Second characteristic, it shows the bilateral symmetry. The organisms are the triploblastic, means the three germinal layers is here. First one is ectoderm, second one is mesoderm, and the third one is the endoderm. This organism, it shows the true coelom. So it is called as the coelomates. True coelom, it's a present between the body wall and the alimentary canal. These organisms are mostly or exclusively marine in habit. The organism shows the complete digestive system, that's a separate mouth and the anus is here. Next one is about the respiratory system. The respiration, it is occurred by means of the gills. Next one is this organism shows the open type of circulatory systems. Next, the organisms are the dioecious, that is the male and the female are the separate individuals. It shows the external fertilization, means the male sperm fertilizes a female organism's egg outside of the female body. And the third interesting characteristic, it shows the development, that's a development is the indirect form of development, that is an organism birth form is very different from the adult form. The embryo hatch from the egg in a larval form. The larval undergoes a drastic metamorphosis in order to achieve its adult stage. Animals that undergoes indirect development lays the numerous eggs. What about the unique feature, that's a special characteristic in case of the phylum Hemichordata? The organisms, it's a worm-like cylindrical body, and the body, it shows the three distinct parts. First, anterior one, that is known as a proboscis. Second one, it's a collar, and the third one, it's a trunk. As a collar, the collar bears stomacord, that is a rudimentary structure similar to a notochord. The excretion by proboscis gland. About the examples, the phylum Hemichordata, it's an example. The first example, it's a belanoglossus, that is the tongue worm, and the second one is the saccoglossus. What about the significant characteristic of all, that's a summary of the phylum Hemichordata? The organisms, they are the bilateral symmetry. These organisms, it shows a three germ layer, that's a triploblastic. There is a presence of the true body cavity, that's a coelomate. They are exclusively marine. It shows a complete digestive system. The respiration, it is by means of the gills. Circulatory system, it's a open type. These organisms are the dioecious. External fertilization is here. Development is indirect. Worm-like cylindrical body with a proboscis, collar and trunk. The collar bears the stomacord. Excretion by the proboscis gland, and its example, it's a belanoglossus, that is a tongue worm, and the saccoglossus. Hope so you understood it. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.